Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. A warm welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am coming with this super cute idea of making heart-shaped shaker card. I just want to hear this cute shaker sound. I'm finding it so satisfying. So along with the shaker heart window, I am sharing how to create these lovely gorgeous paper quilling flowers, the cute heart-shaped butterfly along with the handmade teddy bear and whole decorations. And inside the card, of course, you can write a special message to your loved ones. So without any delay, let's get started. Here I am taking 12 by 11 centimeter of paper, just folding it into half, and I have created half side of the heart using pencil. Now I am cutting both the layers together to create the heart template. Like this. Then I am tracing it on white color cardstock. And quickly cutting this white cardstock heart shape. So after cutting, it should look like this. Similarly, I have prepared one more small shaped heart, which is little smaller than the white one in a pattern paper, and inside this I have created one more 1 centimeter bordered heart, which is more smaller than the outer one, and I am creating a window here for the shaker heart cutout. So I am just cutting the inner heart using paper cutter. And it should look like this. So after attaching the shaker card on white, it will look like this. Then I am taking back my window and from back side attaching OHP sheet or acetate sheet in heart shape using B7000 glue. Then again adding glue on the edge and start attaching double layer of the cardboard so that we can add shaker element inside this window. So I have covered from all the sides. Now I am just pouring some white color flower pearls and some white sequences inside the shaker window. Now add glue on top of this cardboard pieces, and I have created one more pink color heart cutout of the same size, so just putting it on the back side to close the shaker window. And it will look like this, super pretty. So the heart window is ready. Then taking back my white heart cutout which we have cut earlier, and on back side I am sticking these teardrop shaped paper cutout on the edge one by one like this to create the scalloped border. So just completing it, and after attaching all these teardrop shapes from front, it will look like this. Then on top of this I am sticking my heart shaker window. And our beautiful prop for the card is ready. Then Here I am taking 14 by 14 centimeter light pink color cardstock, and using my scoring board I am just creating the scoring lines in equal interval to create the texture on the pink cardstock. Like this. Similarly, I am going to complete it from both the sides to create the checkers pattern. So after adding the checkers pattern, our pattern paper is ready. Then taking the card base in white cardstock, which is 29 by 14.5 centimeters, just folding it from the center. So the card base is ready. Now taking back the pink checkers pattern, and on the edge I am distressing with the red distress ink just to highlight the border little more. This is completely optional step, but it will enhance the beauty of the base cardstock little more. And I am sticking it on top of the white color cardstock like this. Then exactly in the center I am sticking heart shaped shaker. And our card base is ready. Then randomly here and there I am just drawing some little hearts using red color paint. And our beautiful card base is completely ready. Now it's time to decorate this with some different elements. So I'm starting with taking the jute rope, just opening all the threads. Separating these small thin threads. And on the right side of the heart shaker window I am attaching these threads using glue just to add little shabby chic look to the card. Like this. And then starting with my first quilling flower, so just I am putting my red color strip inside the comb, add little glue, make a loop. And then from top and from the bottom I am sliding my strip to create the pattern like this. This is super easy, and creating 7 loops on top and on the bottom to complete the petal. Then from back side I'm just cutting the excess strip, add glue and allow it to dry. Till that time I'm taking a half strip of pink color in 3mm and making one teardrop shape. Then taking my petal from the comb, slowly folding it from center, pinch it exactly in the center a little bit to make it flat, add glue and connect your pink color teardrop inside this. Then wrapping this whole petal using red color strip, and the beautiful petal is ready. Now I'm joining total 5 petals together to create the flower. Like this. Then here I have prepared one more small flower using half strips of peach color in 1 mm. These are simple teardrop shapes. By adding 5 petals I have made this small flower. So I'm just off centering the small flower on top of the bigger flower. And then exactly in the center I am adding red color tight coil, which is made using half strip of red color in 2 mm. And the flower is ready. Similarly, I have prepared 2 more flowers, and after drying the flower you can just push it on your palm to make it 3D. So this is done. Now for the next pillar flower, here I am taking half strip of white color in 3 mm and making one tight teardrop shape. Joining 4 petals together to make the flower. Then I am taking pink color watercolor here and just doing little bit of shading on the center part of the flower, spreading it using water to make it a shaded effect. And then in the center of the flower I am taking here 1/4 strip of pink color in 2 mm, making a tight coil and putting it on top of the flower. So this is ready. Similarly, I have prepared lots of filler flowers already. Then to create heart shaped butterfly, here I am taking 1 strip of red color in 3 mm, making one teardrop shape. Similarly, I have prepared one more teardrop, just joining both the shapes together and wrapping it using maroon color strip. Like this. Then for the bottom wing I have prepared this small teardrops using half of strips of red color. The process is same, so just joining both the wings. And left wing I have already prepared, and for the center of the butterfly body I have prepared this black colored leaf shape, which is made using 1/4 strip of black color in 3 mm. So just attaching all the parts like this. And for the antenna I am taking small black color strips, just curling it little bit and connecting on the head part. And the super cute butterfly is ready. Then to create leaves, here I am taking half strip of sap green color in 3 mm, making a leaf shape. Similarly, I have prepared lots of leaves already and also prepared some filler tight coils which are made using 1/4 strip of maroon color in 3 mm. So this is done. And also I have prepared the cute teddy bear using pipe cleaners in pink color. This is super duper easy to create. I have already shown the tutorial in a short video. I have shared the link in description box. You can check there. And I am showing you how to create small heart using red pipe cleaner. So just taking a small piece of pipe cleaner, folding from center and then fold from both the sides towards the center like this. Just pinch it nicely and your super duper easy heart shape is ready. So I have already created one heart in the center of the teddy. I am sticking one more on top of this to make it more 3D and fluffier. And the body and hands, everything is made using pink color pipe cleaners with the simple folded mechanism. And for the eyes and nose I have used black color clay to create small balls, and this is done. Now taking back my card base, and here I have prepared one more small size heart shape with the same pattern paper on which I am going to connect my teddy in one of the corner of the card. So first I am sticking the heart shape. I have added cardboard on left side because on right side there is already the window of the heart shaker. So to level it up I have added the cardboard piece strip. Then I am attaching all my quilling flowers, leaves and fillers. Also connecting the teddy bear inside the heart and the butterfly in the corner. Then here I have this love cutout in red color, which I am going to connect in the bottom of the card, and also I have written the sentence is in the air using black marker on white cardstock. Then I am decorating the smaller heart from the edge using these small half cut pearls. Like this, and a super gorgeous greeting card with the shaker window for Valentine's Day is completely ready. This is looking absolutely amazing, and if you want you can decorate the bigger heart edge also using half cut pearls, but I am completely happy with the design. And of course you can write a special message inside the card for your loved ones. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.